Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Moonriver. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Moonriver has recently formed another rising wedge pattern after the breakout from a very big and long-term down channel. And this was my last video that I shared almost 3 days ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, this is the daily time frame chart, by the way, and you can see that the price is now about to hit the support of this wedge once again. By the way, when it was moving inside this previous down channel, at that time we found the support and resistance of this rising wedge pattern. And even after the breakout, the price is still moving inside this wedge and forming higher highs and higher lows. And now it is about to form another higher low and about to hit the support of the wedge. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term down channel and from this falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, I have been showing you this previous falling wedge pattern even before the breakout. And in those days, I was telling you that now the movement is quite squeezed inside this wedge. Therefore, at any time, it can break this pattern. And the technical target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $23 to $25. And you can see that the price has rallied beyond that target, but could not break out this long-term resistance of $45. That was previously breaking as support here, and now it is flipped into resistance. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for GRT, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this trade setup I shared on 22nd of November 2024. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Moonriver that I shared on 22nd of September 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Moonriver formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 17% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. Now let me take you to the live chart. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it is moving inside this rising wedge pattern. We had a bounce, rejection here, rejection, bounce, another bounce here, rejection, and here we had another bounce on 2nd of December 2024. And recently the price is once again rejected and about to hit the support of this rising wedge pattern. At the same time, Moonriver is also trying to break out this long-term resistance of $20 as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that this $20 has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and for several weeks a month, it has been breaking as a support here as well. Therefore, again, for the past several days, it is breaking as a very, very strong resistance. For example, if Moonriver breaks down this wedge, then technical target will be here at the bottom of the wedge, approximately at $8. But before that, we also have this down trendline resistance of the previous down channel that we have already broken out, and it can again work as a very, very strong support somewhere here, approximately at $10. Therefore, it will be really very difficult for the price line to break down this previous resistance of the channel that can now break as a support. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the wedge, because the momentum is quite bullish, and therefore there is a probability that the price line may break it out. Despite this a bearish fast move, but there is a probability that we may see a breakout. And target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at $38. But in my opinion, if the price then breaks out this wedge, then we can once again hit the resistance of $45. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart once again, then you can see that this $45 was previously breaking as a very strong resistance after the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern on the 7-day time frame chart. And before that, it has been breaking as a very strong support. And by the way, this $45 is also the target for the breakout from this big and long term down channel as well, because the technical target is here at the top of the channel, and that is at $45. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.